The trouble you went through carrying countless keys is no more. Introducing the Cloud All-in-One Remote. A single remote to unlock all your cars, doors, gates and various digital locks. You can simply copy your remote's data to this device and you're good to go. Main functions: save copied remote data, backup to an authorized account, support a combination of 3 remote controls which you can switch freely at any time. Let's see how it works. To reset the remote, simply hold the up and down keys for a few seconds until the 3 lights blink. To switch between profiles, just press the function key. To copy a key, select one of the 3 profiles and hold down the button you wish to assign and the button that needs to be assigned to, holding close like this until the indicator turns off. Similarly, you can copy more keys to the other profiles as well. Now download and install the app using the QR code link. Open the app and go to face-to-face copy remotes. Then log into your account. They'll ask for a verification, which you can verify by using the code you receive. Now press scan while holding the function key of your device. This will scan for any keys saved within the remote and load them to the app. Under the key management window, you can back up your data and organize your remotes through this app. You also can download the data of your saved remotes from the cloud just easy as this.